How to fix no Nvidia GPU is detected in your laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix your GPU not being detected issue on your PC. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step is open up your device manager. Head over to the search bar on your Windows, then simply search for device manager and hit enter. After you're here, what you'll then need to do is you'll see an option that says action. So what you'll have to do is add a device. So to add a device, let me just expand on device drivers here. You should find your graphic, or you should find your uh, you know a GPU available right here. So if you don't see it, what you can do is first tap on this action, hover over action, tap on add drivers, but before that, tap on scan for hardware changes. So after you're done with scanning, after you've scanned for hardware changes, if there's nothing, you can tap on add legacy hardware, tap on next. So you can search it from here. You can select install the hardware that I manually select from the list. Tap on next. From here, you will need to select your device uh, display adapters right here. Select that and tap on next. Then after you're here, make sure that you have selected Microsoft Basic Display Adapters. Then tap on next. After you've done that, tap on next again to install it. And after you've installed all of that, what you can then do is head over to your display adapters here and then expand your display adapters. Select the display adapter. You can double tap on it, go to driver and update your driver. Tap on update driver and browse from your computer. You can pick from the list here. Select a version of your driver. You can choose Microsoft Basic device adapter, display adapter as well. Then finally, after you've updated it, your problem should be fixed. And your, GPU, which was not available before, should be available now. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.